Good morning, students. Our subject is Design of Concrete Structure 1. Our today's topic is Limit State of Collapse Flexure Rectangular Beam Part 2. In the last lecture, Part 1, we already studied introductory part about a rectangular beam. In this today's lecture, we are going to study here IS specification regarding rectangular beam and some examples of rectangular beam by using limit state method. Okay, so let's go start here. IS specification of rectangular beam. So reinforcement, first minimum reinforcement in IS code 456 2000, page number 46, clause number 26.5.1.1. AST minimum formula is given. AST minimum formula is 0.85 divided by Fy into B into D. So to calculate maximum reinforcement in IS 456 2000, clause number 26.5.1.1 and 26.5.1.2, here AST minimum maximum formula is given. So for AST maximum is not greater than 0.04D. Okay, so cover the reinforcement. IS 456 2000, page number 46, clause number 26.4. Here size of the cover is provided here. So nominal cover is defined as a distance measured from concrete surface without plaster to nearest surface of the reinforcing bar. It is called as a nominal cover, means it is a beam. Here some bar we provided here, bars from this bar to this without plastering surface, this distance it is called as a below this distance it is called as a cover, and above it is called as a effective depth. Okay, so specification regarding nominal cover to beam of different exposure condition are given in table number 16, page number 47, IS 456 2000. In IS code 456 2000, different conditions of atmosphere, how many size of the cover provided given in that IS code. Okay, but generally nominal cover to a beam should not be less than 25 mm. By using LSM method, the cover size is considered 25 mm or larger diameter of longitudinal beam. If diameter is given, longitudinal diameter, so use that diameter as a cover. Okay, so in any problem cover is not given, then you can assume assume more than 25 mm, or if largest diameter size is given, if 28 or some size is given, then consider it is as a cover. Okay, so spacing of reinforcement between two bars, how many spacings we have to provided here. So in IS 456 2000, page number 45, clause number 26.3, here some specification for spacing of reinforcement is given here. So minimum horizontal spacing between individual bars, means minimum spacing between two bars. First here is diameter of bar if diameter are equal, largest diameter of bar and nominal size aggregate plus 5, it is considered as a individual bars spacing. Okay, use whichever is more between these three, use whichever is more. Second, maximum horizontal distance between tension bar. For Fe 250, clear distance is smaller than 300 mm, and Fe 415, clear distance is smaller than 180 mm. For 500, clear distance is greater than is no, less than 150 mm. Okay, so here distance is provided here. Here by using bars for Fe 250, Fe 415 and Fe 500, the spacing between bar is different. So effective span in IS 456 2000, page number 34, clause number 22.2, here some effective size taken for the beam. So first, simply supported beam or slab, the L effective is equals to clear span plus supporting width, or L effective is equals to clear span plus effective depth, means width or depth. Use whichever is less from these two, L effective, clear span plus supportive width and clear span plus effective depth. Use whichever is less. Okay, take it as a L effective. Second, for cantilever beam or slab, L effective is equals to clear span plus 1 by 2 into supporting width. Second, L effect, clear span plus 1 by 2 into effective depth. Use whichever is less from these two. For simply supported and cantilever, use whichever is less. Clear span per supporting width, it is for simply supported, and a clear span plus 1 by 2 into supporting width, it is for a cantilever beam. Okay, so by using these some guidelines, we are going to start here some examples of singly reinforcement beam by using LSM method, limit state method. So type 1, calculation of moment resistance, mean mu, we have to find here mu. So example given here, a beam size is 300 mm wide and depth is 600 mm. Effective depth means d, small d is given. If only depth is given, then consider it as a overall depth. If consider here effective depth, then it is a small d. A beam is 300 mm wide, means B is 300 mm wide and 600 mm effective depth, small d. Reinforcing with the 4 bar 16 mm diameter, means here 4 bar is provided, the diameter of that bar is 16 mm. We have to find the ultimate moment resistance of beam section. We have to find here mu. So use M20 and Fe415 for this calculation of moment. Here Fe415 and grades are very important. Steel grade are so important and concrete grade. Without grade is not given, then consider it, because without grade you can't design. Okay, so solution here in this numerical, width is given, B is 300 mm, FCK is given 20 mm, characteristic strength of concrete is 20 MPa, Newton per mm square. Steel grade is given, Fe415 Newton per mm square is given. AST is given 4 bar of 16 mm. So how to calculate AST? AST is 4 bar pi by 4 into d square. Pi by is 3.14 but divided by 4 into 16 square. So AST is 804.25 mm square. Okay, so area is also calculated. Now depth, d is given here, small d 600 mm. Okay, so B is given 300 mm, FCK is 20, Fe415 is steel grade, AST is 804.25 and depth is 600 mm. So first step here, calculation of actual depth of neutral axis. Before calculating moment resistance, we have to find here the beam is under reinforced, over reinforced or balanced reinforced. Before solving all the numericals, we have to find here our section is consider in which type, that is under reinforced section, that is over reinforced section, or balanced section. So before calculating mu, we have to find here the sections. Okay, so calculation of actual depth of neutral axis, XU. By using XU, you can easily consider the section is under reinforced, over reinforced or balanced section. Okay, so consider here Cu is equals to Tu, means compressive strength is equals to tensile strength. Consider here For Cu, the formula is 0.36 FCK into XU into B, and for Tu formula is 0.87 Fy into AST. How this formula come? Or in part 1 we already studied this section. Okay, so directly we consider here a formula. Cu is equals to Tu, so 0.36 FCK into XU into B is equals to 0.87 into Fy into AST. So we have to find here XU. So here XU, so these all forward here, 0.87 Fy into AST divided by 0.36 FCK into B. So XU formula is 0.87. Fy, here Fy is given, Fy is 415 and FCK is 20. So 0.87 Fy is 415 and AST, we calculate here AST is 804.25. So 804.25 divided by 0.36 into FCK is 20 and B is given here. B is 300 mm. So consider B is 300 mm. So solving this, here XU is equals to 134.43 mm. Okay, so after calculating XU, we have to find here XU max. So second step, all problems having these two step is compulsory to find the section is considered in which category, under reinforced section, over reinforced section or balanced section. Before calculating AST or EMU, we have to find that. Okay, so second here, calculation of critical depth of neutral axis XU max. So we have to calculate here XU max. XU max is equals to 0.48 D. What is 0.48 D? In part 1 we already solved these XU max, how to calculate the depth or how to consider. So this 0.48 D, it is for Fe415. Consider it's for Fe415. For 250 XU max value is different, for 415 XU max value is different, and for Fe500 XU max is different. So for Fe415 XU max value is 0.48 D. I'm already provided you all the one chart here. To learn that chart, you all got the formula for Mu, percentage of steel and XU max values. Okay. So XU max is equals to 0.48 and D is 600 mm. So XU max is equals to 288 mm. Here XU max is 288 mm and XU is 134.43. So 288 is greater by 134.43 is small than 288. So XU is smaller than XU max. So section is considered as a under reinforced section. Okay, so here we consider section is under reinforced section. How consider? XU is greater than XU max. So consider this section is over reinforced section, or XU is equals to XU max is considered balanced reinforced section. So our XU is smaller than XU max, so section is under reinforced section. Okay, so next step, fourth step is here, calculation of moment resistance. So Mu is equals to Tu into Z. This formula, by using this under reinforced section, this formula is depend on under reinforced section, balanced reinforced section or over reinforced section. So our section is under reinforced section. For this, use this formula Tu into Z. This formula is different for all sections. So Mu is equals to 0.87 Fy into AST into D minus 0.42 XU. Learn this formula. So Mu is equals to 0.87, Fy value is 415, AST is 804.26, D is 600 minus 0.42 into XU is 134.43. So our Mu is 157.83 kilonewton meter or 157.83 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. So mu is here 157.83. So solving any example, learn this 4 step is very important. First step, to consider our section is balanced over reinforced section or balanced section. Calculate first step here. After that, compare these, our section is consider in which category, and after that calculate moment resistance. These 4 steps to find moment resistance. Okay, so we start here another example. So starting here, example number 2, a reinforced concrete beam 300 mm wide is reinforced with, here B is given, B is 300 mm, reinforced with AST is given 1435.82 mm square. AST is also given on tension side at effective depth. Effective depth means small d. Small d is given here 500 mm. FCK is given here 20 and Fe415. Fy is Fe415. So determine, we have to find here position, neutral axis, type of reinforced section, and moment resistance we have to find here. Okay, so solution, given data is B is equals to 300 mm, FCK is 20, AST is 1435.82 mm square, D is depth, effective depth is given 500 mm, and Fy Fe415. Okay, so first step is calculation of position of neutral axis. Formula is Cu is equals to T. So 0.36 Fy into Xu into B is equals to 0.87 Fy into AST. So Xu, we have to find here Xu. So 0.87 Fy AST divided by 0.36 FCK into B. So Xu is equals to 0.87. Fy value is given here. Fy is 415. So 415 into AST is also given 1435.82 mm square. So 1435.82 is AST value divided by 0.36. FCK is 20 and B value is 300. Width is 300. So Xu is 240 mm. Second step, calculation of critical depth of neutral axis. So we have to find here Xu max. For Fe415, Xu max value is 0.48 D. So Xu max is equals to 0.48. Value of D is here, value of D is given. Depth is 500 mm. Okay, depth is given 500 mm. So consider depth is 500. So Xu max is 240. Okay, Xu max is 240 and Xu is also 240. So both are same. Xu is 240 and Xu max is 240. The section is considered as a balanced section. Okay, both are same. So it considered as a balanced reinforced section. Okay, so fourth step we have to find here mu. So for Fe415, the value of mu max is 0.138 FCK D square. Okay, this formula is for Fe415. Okay, this formula for Fy. Okay, so consider this formula 0.138 FCK BD square. For all this formula is different. For under reinforced section formula is different. For balanced reinforcement section formula is different. And over reinforced section formula is different. Okay, so we consider here Fy415 and the section is balanced section. Okay, so mu max is equals to 0.138 FCK BD square. Mu max is equals to 0.138, FCK is 20, B is 300 mm is given in numerical and D is also given 500 mm. So calculate here, the mu is 207 kilonewton meter or 207 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Okay, next we start here example number 3, find mu. we have to also find here mu. For SRRS means singly reinforcement section, beam having 230 mm width and 400 mm effective depth, means 230 is B, small b, and effective depth means small d is 400 mm. Effective depth is reinforced with 4 bars of 16 mm diameter. Use FY M15. So FCK is 15 given, FE 415 grade material, FI is 415, and what will be the moment of resistance? We have to find here mu. If AST for AST bar is given 5 bar of 16 mm diameter or bar used, will the moment of resistance further increase with the number of bars. तर here for solution, given data B is 230 mm is given, FCK 15 MPa is given, 15 Newton per mm square is given, D 400 mm, FY 415, AST is given 4 bars of 16 mm diameter. Here 4 bars of 16 mm diameter, so 804.25 mm square. Solution, calculation of actual depth means XU. Here we have to find XU. So CU is equals to TU. CU is 0.36 FCK XU into B is equals to 0.87 FY into AST. So XU is equals to 0.87 FY AST divided by 0.36 FCK B. So XU is equals to 0.87, Fy is given 415, AST is given 804.25, 0.36 divided by 0.36, FCK is 15 and B is 230. So XU is 233.80. Next second step, we have to calculate here critical depth neutral axis XU max. So for Fe 415, the value of XU max is 0.48 D. Okay, so XU max is 0.48 into 400. Okay, XU max is 192. Here consider XU max is 192 and XU is 233.80. So compare XU and XU max. Compare here. So 233.80. XU is greater than XU max. Okay, so section is considered as a over reinforced section because XU is greater. So this section is over reinforced section, but over in first part we already studied over reinforced section not given any warning if collapse. So but over reinforced section is not allowed in RCC design. So over reinforced section not allowed, only balanced section or under reinforced section is considered for design. So here the section we consider as a under reinforced section and then we proceed to design. Okay, so calculation of moment resistance mu max. So consider for Fe 415 and the section consider is as a under reinforced section. Okay, so mu max is equals to 0.138 FCK B into D square. So mu max is equals to 0.138, FCK is 15, B is 230 and D is 400 square. Okay, so mu max is equals to 76.18 kilonewton meter. So mu max is 76.18 kilonewton meter. The given section is already over reinforced section and its moment resisting capacity is 76.18 kilonewton meter. Okay, so here the section is considered, we consider here under reinforced section. You can increase, you consider here in numerical here given will be what will be the moment of resistance if 516 mm of bar are used, means if 4 bars of 16 is not correct, then you can also increase the bar size and area to consider here under reinforced section. Our section is balanced section, so it fail. Next we start here example number 4. Find the working moment of resistance SRR having means singly reinforced section having B 230 mm into 500 mm means B is 230 mm and depth is 500 mm over section. Overall section means here capital D is given. 500 is capital D with 2 bars of 16 mm and 2 bars of 18 mm. Here 2 bars are provided different. First bar is 16 mm diameter and second bar is 18 mm diameter. So summation of these we got it here AST. Okay, so diameter on tensile zone use M20 mix and mild steel reinforcement. M20 mix means FCK is 20 and mild steel means FY 250. Mild steel means grade is 250. Okay, so given data is here. B is 230 mm, capital D is given, overall means capital depth, so 500 mm, FCK is 20 given, AST is 2 bar of 16 mm and 2 bar of 18 mm. So summation of this 2 into pi by 4 means 3.14 divided by 4, 1 bar of 2 bars of 18 and 2 bars of 16 square. So area is 911.06 mm square. So assume cover here 40. Okay, so cover is 40. So formula to calculate small d is equals to capital D minus C. Capital D is 500, so 500 and C is 40. So our depth is effective depth is 460 mm. Okay, and Fy is given here mild steel. So mild steel is 250. Okay, so first step, calculation of actual depth of neutral axis XU. We have to find here XU. To calculate XU, the formula is CU is equals to TU. Okay, so 0.36 FCK into XU into B is equals to 0.87 Fy into AST. So XU is equals to 0.87 Fy into AST divided by 0.36 FCK into B. So XU is equals to 0.87, Fy is 250, AST is 911.06 and 0. Divided by 0.36, FCK is 20 and B is 230. So XU is 119.66. Second step, calculation of critical depth of neutral axis. So for FE415, here XU max is 0.53D. All is different. So consider here 0.53 into 460. Okay, so the value is 243.8 mm. So here formula is given 0.53D, 0.53 and D is 460. So the value is 243.8. Okay, compare XU and XU max. XU and XU max. XU is 119.66 and XU max is 243.8. So XU max is greater than XU. So section is considered as a under reinforced section. Okay, our section is under reinforced section. So we have to find here moment, calculation of ultimate moment of resistance mu. So formula to calculate mu is 2u into z. So mu is equals to 0.87. This formula is for Fy 250 because here mild steel is given. So use this formula 0.87 Fy into AST into D minus 0.42 XU. So mu 0.87, Fy is 250, AST is 911.06, D is 460 minus 0.42, XU is 119.66. So mu is 81.19 kilonewton meter. Okay, so in this today's lecture we solved some numerical examples of singly reinforcement beam by using a limit state method, and we solved example type 1 of to calculate moment of resistance. Okay, so anyone having doubt in today's lecture, you can put your questions in chat box. Okay, thank you.